I'm from the land of the Pimp and the Panther, where Huey Newton used to pimp female panthers. People deny it, can't detail the answers. This where teenage girls sell the bodies, retail dancers. We got a Mac culture that's an insane cancer, drug abuse so widespread. I seen fourth graders smoke till their eyes red. It's a new year and already 9 dead. Cause this is where freedom fighters shot up dope after they shot down the ghetto bird and gave us hope. But change was denied cause the generation was caused by coke that's cooked and broke down to the rocks ready. And I blocks rock steady, said I'm ready rocking my uncle's Glock ready. Plus a cop ready to turn your head to spaghetti. Now throw heroin in the mix in its grave. Burnt lungs, needle pricks and AIDS. Cause junkies won't hesitate to reuse a needle for days. And there's AIDS on the needle tip. And the rock call fiends like free jewels, he'll steal the fifth. And these dudes hooked ain't an arm you can reach them with. Panthers had guns to free them with, knowledge to teach them with, but godlessness could leave you robbed of this. Plus COINTELPRO reconnaissance while others father kids with a mindset far from his. Panther cub syndrome, he conscious but can't stop the sins. 1,000 kids just like Pac, enshrouded from light, a parent hooked on rock. Impounded in the ghetto, ain't no fair shot, surrounded by concrete and metal, but that's the life that we got. In the land of the Pimp and the Panther.